Hello everyone, this is Ivy from WeStarPOS. Today I'd like to introduce our TC001 Android Tablet POS, a commercial tablet designed for retail, service, food and beverage applications. In this video, we'll take a quick look at its main features and applications. Let's get started. First, it's equipped with an 8000 mAh battery, supporting mobile retail use and allowing continuous checkout during power outages. Second, it features a 14-inch full high-definition touchscreen with full lamination technology, delivering a clear visuals and smooth touch experience. Third, this tablet is equipped with an aluminum alloy stand, delivering modern appearance and keeping the machine steady. The stand is foldable, helping save packaging space and reduce shipping costs. What's more, TC001 supports both desktop and wall-mounted installation. In desktop mode, it is ideal for point-of-sale, table ordering, self-check-in, and gaming selection terminals. When wall-mounted, it becomes a perfect solution for kitchen display systems, customer feedback terminals, and digital advertising display. Whether placed on desktop or wall-mounted, TC001 can easily adapt to different application scenarios. To sum up, TC001 combines modern design, flexible installation, and wide application compatibility in one powerful solution. Whether you are a software company, distributor, or system integrator, we believe TC001 can bring more possibilities to your business. If you have any interest, feel free to contact us.